Hello everyone, welcome back to the CAD source. Today we're making a simple 3D shed in Revit. Create boundary walls, architecture tab, then walls, place a rectangle, go to Floor Architectural, select the path. Now the most critical part is to create curvicle roofing extrusion. Go to the roof. Select Roof by Extrusion. Go to Elevation. Select Plane. Select Level. Attach to the top. Convert generic wall to curtain. That's your 3D model in curved roofing. Happy drafting.